life has taken a turn when you start singing the Color Guard commercial. All right, hey guys, so it's Karen. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi. I'm so glad you clicked on this video. I have just recently signed up for Pink Zebra because I love all things that smell good. And I got their scent Flirt, which is something that you get every month. It's a subscription and it has all kinds of good stuff in it. I believe it was $34.95. I will put that total on the screen for you, but I just wanted to go through this with you guys today and show you what it's all about. All right. So I think it changes every single month. And I mean, you still get like the sprinkles, which is the stuff that goes in the warmers. All right, let's see. Okay, so we've got, what's it called? Super Clean Aquamarine Foaming Antibacterial Hand Soap. I would never go and buy a soap like this, like in the store, but I will get one. Okay, wait a minute here. Ooh, it smells like coconuts. Look at that. I love having girly things in my bathroom, so this is totally going to be cute, and it's got a great scent. That works. Okay, next I have by Super Clean, I don't know. It here is your hand sanitizer, but they even gave me like a little doohickey to go with it. That's freaking cute. So I could put it on my purse or whatever. Aw, I love that. That's adorable. Wait a minute. You can't... I'm assuming that's what this is for, but why can't you close it? What's that about? I'm very confused. It doesn't close. All right, that's weird. Okay, next. Oh, there's a card in here, a couple of them. Oh, no, just pamphlets. Poppy Flower Hand Sanitizer Holder. It doesn't even work. It says it has a $10 value, or no, $8 value, $10 Canadian value. All right, so this is basically telling me everything that's in here. The Aquamarine Super Clean Hand Soap. It doesn't tell me what this is worth. That's weird. Okay, let's see. Sprinkles Funfetti Cake Batter, a $3.40 value. The hand sanitizer has a $4.50 value. Okay, yeah, the foaming antibacterial hand soap has a $14 value. Wow. Okay, let's see what else. April Paisley's Pick. Paisley is the pink zebra. Lilac Vanilla, $3.40. And then Blueberry Sorbet. Oh, that smells good. $3.40. Total value, $36.70. Wow. Okay, so basically you're paying the exact retail value just to get these samples. But yeah, this is super confusing to me because you can't... Oh my gosh, I think I had it wrong. I am a weenie. Look at this. I had that completely wrong. Oh my gosh. How funny. Only me. Okay, it still doesn't want to go in. There we go. I cannot believe I had that like that. Good job, Karen. I don't know that I would want to put it like this though. I don't know. Anyhow, so that's everything. You got a soap, a hand sanitizer, and then 3 fragrances, and that's the scent Flirt. I will definitely do more of these because I am subscribed, so I'll get them every single month, and then we'll compare from the last month before to see what new products we get. But yeah, have you guys tried Pink Zebra? I was a Scentsy consultant for a long time. I loved Scentsy. But yeah, I decided to try Pink Zebra. I do think they've got some pretty neat products. I do like the fact that you've got the little sprinkles as opposed to the bars. But let me know, guys, is this something that you would think about getting? I love like good smelling laundry detergent, good smelling those sprinkles that you put in the laundry, all things like that. I love it the warmers around my house. I love the diffusers. I actually have the consultant kit. If you guys want to see me unbox that, let me know. And thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Let me know, what is your favorite fragrance of all time? Put that down in the comments and I'll talk to you guys there. I'll see you real soon in another video. Bye.